It's raining right now. It's 93 degrees outside. And it's raining? What? Is this because of the humid? Wow. 93 degrees outside and it's already raining. Wait, is summer over? No? Yeah, summer is not over. Oh! Yeah. And there was thunder too. Lightning in Fresno. Woo! That's nice. How long is it gonna rain? It's not gonna rain that long, right? Oh, thunder! I saw that flash. I don't know if you guys can see that. But I saw it. Whoa! Whoa! That was bright right there. Wow. Nah, I think they're gonna shock the house, not me. Oh, you heard that? Thunder. Alright. It looks like I gotta end this video short. Oh, it's so wet. Wow. And my giant sequoia is, yeah, it's already dead. That rain is not gonna help this. It's already dead before the rain came. Darn it. Well. Yeah, looks like I just gotta end this video. Bye.